Well, hello. It's another week to look at the European Nightcrawlers to see how they're doing. Now we'll give them a feed. A nice feeding. So let's see what's going on today. I haven't opened it up for a while. But there's one right there chillaxing, or chilling if you will. Give them a nice feeding. But there aren't any food in here, so they devoured all the food that was in here. So let's give them some more food to eat. Start out with half a pound, 500 of them. But yeah, there's no food whatsoever in here. So I'm going to give them a feeding. I fed the food scraps to prevent my fruit flies and stuff. So that's pretty awesome for these guys to devour the food scraps that quick. And everything was frozen. So this is all going in there. Some bananas. Some paper. Tea bags. Cover it up with some bedding. Come back in another week to see how they're doing. That's about it for now. Like I said, I'll come back in a week to check them out. So please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day. Bye.